XLOOKUP is new function to find things in a table or arrange by row. This function has many advantages and can replace VLOOKUP. Now let's go to explore through some of example as following. Example 1. We use XLOOKUP to look up an ID number in a range, and then return its customer name. Select cell G3, type XLOOKUP, press Tab key to select it. First, lookup value is F3. Type a comma. Lookup array is ID number column in the table, press F4 to fix it. And select customer name column, that contains the data return, press F4 to fix it. Enter. Done. We continue to conduct the same to looking for month by ID number. This is especially to look up for value in the left hand. It's significant that VLOOKUP has not yet been conducted. We do the same as the firstly. XLOOKUP, select cell F3 to enter lookup value, choose ID number column for lookup array, press F4 to fix it. And next is month column, which contains the result, press F4 again. Close function. Okay, good. Example 2. Look up customer information based on an ID number. Unlike VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP can return an array with multiple items, so a single formula can return both customer name and revenue. Now we also select a cell, XLOOKUP, click cell F7, drag to select cells B2 through B12 for lookup array. At here, return array is 2 columns from C2 to D12. Press enter. We have results for both customer and revenue. Example 3. Look up for March revenue that it's in the last of data table. We will apply the 6th argument search mode to do this task. At cell H11, type XLOOKUP, lookup value is cell F11, lookup array is ID number column, and revenue column contains data return. And next type a comma, one more time to ignore if not found. Type 0, or ignore again to set match mode argument, which means the function will look for an exact match. This is the default. And finally, in search mode argument, we set it to -1, which means the function performs a reverse search starting at the last item. Press enter. We got the correct result. Homework: how to look for February revenue that it is in middle of the data table. Lets you think over, and you can find the answer sheet as the link of download workbook in description part. Or you can watch video, VLOOKUP with multiple criteria. With many advantages as above, we hope you will often use the XLOOKUP function in your spreadsheet. Great!